Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ken from Mini Elephant Heavy Industry. Today I'm very happy to introduce one of our best-selling mini excavators, ME25. In this video, everything you see is raw motion with no special effects. Our customers come from Europe, North America, South America, and Australia, and many other countries. We can provide different configurations according to different market. We promise. Now, let's start our introduction. Now, let's talk closer and look at the
Our compact mini excavator, although it is small in size, it is designed to handle many different jobs. The strong steel structure makes the machine durable and reliable for daily work. The compact body allows it to work in narrow spaces where larger excavators cannot enter. It is perfect for gardens, farms, orchards, greenhouses, sidewalks, backyards, and small construction sites. Because of its small size, transportation is also very convenient. A small trailer can easily move the machine from one job site to another, helping customers save transportation costs. The machine is designed with a operating area or control. Levers are easy to reach, making operations simple even for new users. We also use high-quality welding technology and durable paint to improve the machine's strength and protect it from rust and bad weather. Every detail is designed to provide stable performance and a longer service life.
Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of the machine, the engine. A good engine means a stable power, better performance, and long maintenance. Because this mini excavator is equipped with a stable gasoline engine that starts quickly and runs smoothly, even in cold weather. The engine can start easily with simple opens. It delivers strong and stable power for letting traveling and turning. At the same time, the fuel consumption is low, which helps customers reduce daily operating costs. The engine is designed for long working hours and constant opens routine. Maintenance is also very simple. You only need to check the engine oil, air filter, and fuel regularly to keep the engine in good condition. If customers have different market requirements, we can also provide different price and configurations. When
Now let's get into the operator's area. And see how easy this machine is to control. One of the biggest advantages of this mini excavator is its simple and user-friendly operating system. Even if you have never driven an excavator before, you can learn the basic controls in a short time. All the control levers are placed within easy reach, so the operator does not need to stretch or change position while working. This makes long hours of operation much more comfortable. The dozer blade is also very easy to operate. It helps keep the machine stable while digging, and can also be used for leveling the ground. After excavation, the machine responds smoothly to every control, allowing the operator to perform different tasks with precision. Whether you are digging a trench, planting trees, cleaning edge, or preparing land for construction, this machine is easy to handle. And delivers excellent performance. For rental companies, this is also a big advantage. New operators can quickly learn how to use the machine. Reducing training time and improving work efficiency. Easy operation means higher productivity. And a better experience for every user.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more tests, just leave a comment video and tell us which method you'd like us to test. We'll make more real working videos based on your suggestion. I'm Ken from Mini Elephant. Thanks again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.